In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. First, make sure you're on your computer because we'll be using the desktop versions of both Zoom and WhatsApp. Open the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your PC and confirm you're signed in. Being signed in ensures you can start a meeting and share the link without any roadblocks. On the Home tab, look for the large orange New Meeting button with the video camera icon. Click that to create an instant meeting. A new meeting window will pop up. If you see a prompt to start, go ahead and click Start to launch the meeting fully. Once the meeting loads and you see the Zoom controls along the bottom of the window, click the Participants button. This opens the Participants panel, usually on the right side of the screen. In that panel, find and click the Invite button. A small window will appear with sharing options. Click Copy Invite Link. This immediately copies your meeting link to your clipboard so you don't have to highlight or select anything manually. If you ever see an option that mentions copying the full invitation, that simply includes extra dial-in details, but for most cases, the invite link is all you need. Now switch over to WhatsApp. You can open the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC, or if you prefer, go to WhatsApp web in your browser and sign in there. Navigate to the individual or group chat where you want to send the Zoom link. Take a moment to double check you're in the right conversation before pasting, especially if you're sharing a link for a private meeting. Click inside the message box where you normally type. To paste the link, you can right-click and select Paste. If you like keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl plus V on Windows or CMD plus V on a Mac. You'll see the Zoom link appear in the message box, and sometimes WhatsApp will show a small preview. That's normal and helps your participants recognize it's a Zoom invitation. When everything looks good, click the Send button. Your recipients can now tap or click the link to join your meeting. That's it. You opened Zoom, started a meeting, copied the invite link, and shared it in WhatsApp in just a few clicks. Keep the meeting window open so people can join right away, and consider sending a quick message with the meeting purpose or time if that's helpful for your participants. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.